Molly Jenkins, a local potter and the owner of Molly Jenkins Pottery, purchased her home in 2019 in historic Midtown. And after a total renovation, she moved in right before the COVID shutdown in 2020. When she bought her home out of foreclosure, it had been vacant for over a year and was in total disrepair. She enlisted the help of her uncle Jack Jenkins, a local architect at Jenkins Architecture, and her mother, Celia Jenkins, who was a talented interior designer, to get their advice on how to make it livable and fit her needs. She knew she wanted the main focus of the home to be the kitchen and living area because she loves to entertain. Jack Jenkins then figured out a way to design the home around the professional stainless appliances which came from a home in Green Island that was being demolished. This meant the front door had to be removed, the kitchen relocated to the center of the home, and a hallway removed within the center of the home. Next, the bathrooms were completely updated, as well as both the sun porches on the driveway side and the den area. In the back sun porch, new windows and doors leading out to the deck were also added, allowing the interior to flow seamlessly to the backyard living space. Scattered throughout this charming home are many of her one-of-a-kind pottery pieces, which add to her home's casual and easy living feel. Molly also supports other local artists, as pieces can be found throughout her home from Kate Waddell Art, Kingfisher Woodworks, Kate Mullen Art, Aaron Gregory, and Honeycomb Wax Art, to name a few. These original pieces give her home a pop of color as well as a personal touch. I have worked towards creating this home to be an extension of myself, to include some of my favorite items and artists, as well as calming paint colors to come home to each day after the studio.